Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LinkedIn job alerts with Indeed easy tutorial step. To start, open your web browser and go to the LinkedIn website. Log into your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Jobs section on the top menu. In the Jobs section, look for the search bar labeled Search Jobs. Enter the job title or keywords related to the position you are looking for. You can also select a location where you would like to find jobs. After entering your job title and location, press the search icon. This will display a list of job openings that match your criteria. On the left side, you'll see various filters you can apply. Look for the option labeled Set Job Alerts and click on it. You will be prompted to customize your job alert settings. Choose how often you want to receive alerts, such as daily or weekly. Next, select whether you prefer email notifications or mobile notifications. After configuring your preferences, confirm your settings by clicking Save. Now, open a new tab and visit the Indeed website. On the Indeed homepage, locate the search bar for jobs. Input the same job title and location you used on LinkedIn. Once again, click the search icon to display relevant job listings. Scroll down until you find the option for Get Email Updates. Click on it to set up job alerts on Indeed. You will need to enter your email address for notifications. Select how often you want to receive updates from Indeed. Finally, confirm the settings and click Create Alert. You are now set up to receive job alerts from both LinkedIn and Indeed. Keep an eye on your email for notifications about new job postings. This will help you stay updated on the latest opportunities in your field. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.